The surface area of a balloon varies directly as the square of its radius. The area is 325 square inches when the radius is 5 inches. What is the area when the radius is 7 inches? When we're told that the surface area of a balloon varies directly as its radius, or the square of its radius, that means that we can write an equation of the form A, that's the surface area, equals K times the radius squared. Now what we're going to do is use the information that we're given to find a value for K first. We're told that the surface area is 325 when R is 5. So we can substitute 325 for A and 5 for R, and now we can find what that constant is, that K. This would be 325 equals K times 25. Dividing both sides by 25, we have that 13 equals K. Now this is the first step because this gives us the actual equation for this particular situation. A equals 13 R squared. Now we can find the surface area when the radius is 7 inches. All we have to do is substitute 7 for R. That gives us 13 times 49, which is 637. So we can say that the surface area when the radius is 7 inches is 637 square inches.